Hi, this is how to turn in an assignment on Canvas, and I am in an English class. And as you can see, there's a home page right here: announcements, modules, assignments, quizzes, discussions, your grades. And I would ask you to either go to modules, home, or assignments. I'm going to show you all three. So right now I'm on home. I could scroll down to a current assignment, let's say the war editorial. So you'll find the one that has the Dropbox that has points attached to it. See those points? It says 25 points. You could click on it from there. If you go to modules, it will be the same thing. I'm going to click on modules and let it move, and it's going to go to the same thing, and you'll go down to module 6 and find the one that has the points attached to it. I'm working on the war editorial today. Or you can click on assignments. Now, this is actually week 7, and you can see that it says upcoming assignments, past assignments. Well, because the war editorial was due last week, the war editorial is right here. So any of those three ways you can get to it. You'll click on the assignment and you can get the checklist to make sure you have everything correctly done there. You can see the grading rubric. And when you're ready to upload your submission, you click Upload Submission. And it's just like doing a attachment on an email. So you'll title it, you'll select it from wherever you saved it on your computer, and then you'll click attach. So I hope that helps. That's how to turn in an assignment. If it's an assignment that is not past due, it will be in the upcoming assignments. Now, a test you take right online. An argument essay, you would be having to upload it. So you would write it on your computer, save it, let's say, in your Google Drive, and then do it. The discussion boards, you'll write right in the box, and then you'll reply to 2 people. So I hope this helps on how to turn something in. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.